as far as the logistics support is required, it's already in existence. Now, how to take it to the next level is the challenge, and that is what we are here for. The logistics, the once considered as a support function, which is no more, and which is now emerging as a strategic driver of economic growth, trade competitiveness, and the supply chain resilience.
So I think in coming down the time, we want to see the peoples who come forward and provide all these logistic supports in one go. And as you know how good we are doing on the AI systems and all that, because every company is talking about the AI system, how we can develop the AI.
Demand forecasting. How do you use demand forecasting
So we have internal tools, APOs and all that. So we do that.
And that's integrated with your warehousing. So,
yes.
so I think the key takeaway from your brief, from what I see, is that you require the right partners.
Yeah.
And I think there are a lot of people sitting here in the audience and here on the stage who would want to partner in terms of offering, efficient cold storage or temperature control warehousing facility. I think that appears to be one of your, bone of contention into achieving efficiency in logistics.
In our country, I think though we talk about AI, we talk about technology, but honestly speaking, now real-time information is very undervalued in our line of business, very honestly, because we are used to a certain pattern where things happen and then we get to know and we are okay with it. So what we have done is we have just switched on with the real-time information which goes to the transporters in terms of what time their vehicles have come in, okay, what time the containers have been loaded in, and what time the vehicles have actually gated out.
Is just having a plan on, understanding that when the truck is coming in, proper dock utilization, and using our labor very well, which actually enables us to have order fulfillments that do not that. What we have asked are specific to the warehouses and to our infrastructure is that we have informed our transport vendors to give us a heads up as to when their vehicles will be coming in. So we will schedule their docking in, right? That saves us a lot of time that we would want. So we have actually come down from 6 and 5 hours. We've actually come down to 3 and 4 hours, and we still feel we can do lesser.
I'm sure there's always an opportunity to, improve. And when you get onto the journey of improvement, and I think Japanese have taught us the Kaizen methodology in which you do
port mechanization. So a lot of ports are going to be for privatization. So maybe that case support is going to be help, means they can be mechanized. In terms of our plant level, we are also going to be mechanized. We are having 15 railway lines. Means if we're talking about for mechanization, we are having that conveyor belts, means from railway sidings, we can, that directly material can move directly to plant level. And within 1.5 an hour, means we can offload entire rake. Mentioned as a steel manufacturing, means we should prefer to reduce the costing on rail. Safer side as well. If we're talking about for road, we will use sustainability. We converted from containerized cargo to break bulk. So that is also reducing the cost as well.
What happens at home is what people want to hear, and then they can replicate these good examples at their workplace.
Thank you. Madam, Railway is recently facilitating to the small player, MSME or SME, or for a small lot, means you can carry that 15 wagons or maybe, so you can connect with the railways. So that facility is available as on today. So you can connect with your regional level.
I think many a times logistics service providers are, and freight forwarders as well, we are financial institutions.
Where as a logistics service provider, when the government is your customer, you are assured of the payments.
To hear logistics as a bankers, but when I understood the question, then I came to know at least banks get interest, financial institutions get interest, but we don't get interest. Rather, when we go to ask money, either our business is shifted or it is discounted. So that is the difference,